I wanted to show you a brand new hardwood floor refinishing brochure that we've got up on the Ad Coaching Club website, the member site. I also wanted to give you another option in case you weren't a coaching club member for whatever reason. I do have another option for you to order the brochure if you want one of those or one of the other several brochures that we've got. So let's hop right in. So if you're part of the Ad Coaching Club, all you need to do is do a search for hardwood, or if you actually just go to the latest things, it'll be one of the latest things there. But let's do a search for hardwood, and you're going to find the brochure right now up here at the top. We'll look at that in just a second. We've also got other postcards for clients, postcards for EDDM in specific neighborhoods, a whole training module that I did with Courtney Lee that I've actually got here, email newsletters on hardwood, and all sorts of other things. So let's go ahead and hop into this brochure though and take a look at this. This is a brochure mostly for dustless hardwood floor refinishing, because that's what a lot of you are getting into these days. And you could easily change it where we eliminate the hardwood, but we just, in this particular case, it's about dustless and the pros and the cons and what the benefits are about dustless hardwood floor refinishing. We talk about why it's important, and then on the other side, we talk about the pros and the cons of each, because maybe you do hardwood full refinishing, or maybe you don't. It's still important to educate your clients about your hardwood floor. Here's the thing, guys. When you come in with a brochure like this, educating your clients, you are the professional. Whether you do full hardwood sanding or not, you are the professional. Hopefully, too, if you don't do full hardwood sanding, you have somebody that you can refer to and get a commission off of if you don't. We also give other tips and benefits to dustless refinishing, because that's the thing. People don't really understand what it does. And once you put this in their hands, sure, have it on your website, too. This information is very important, but when you're going out to give an estimate, when you're going out to actually do the job, putting something in their hands is crucial instead of just giving them something electronically, because then they can read it while you're giving the estimate and they're sold. That's really the way to do it. So we've got this as part of the Ad Club coaching site. We'll actually customize it with your logo, with your phone number. Once per month, you can fill out a free graphic design request right here, and we'll actually do that for you for free. And then we also have all sorts of other brochures in the Ad Coaching Club website. When you go to the categories, you can get brochures here for tile cleaning, for carpet and rug cleaning, for general, all of your services if you want to do that. If you rug cleaning specifically, water restoration, janitorial, commercial floor, upholstery, all of these are available there. Now, the other option, if you're not a coaching club member, I'll also put the link for this underneath here. We can also do the brochures for you for a one-time charge where we actually print them and do the design for you. The hardwood's not added here yet. It's going to be added very, very soon, but you'll see that show up here. But all you got to do is come to the bottom here and click the link and place the order, or you actually get a discount, get one free if you actually want 4 of them. We can actually do that for you as well. So I'll give you those options here at the bottom. Check it out. I'll also give the option to sign up for the Ad Coaching Club, because if you want more than one thing done, that's probably your most economical route. Either way, though, is fine. I'll put the links down to the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions.